Oh my god! Only I can answer it. Ako metro.
Address this to young people.
BTS.
Actually, nag-a-attempt lang ako na mag-vlog sana pero edit na lang ako vlog. I have business. So I'm into real estate. I am exploring vlogger. So
Go Victoria. So good afternoon everyone. My name is Ayan Jantior. I make vlogs and also I love to document my adventures. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Pero kay brand ba?
My brand is making
Brand X. Brand XX. Oh my god! Only I metro. Guys, so nada rin ang ibig sabihin. So, nagkaon lang magbigay yun ng kahit rin sila ni Apple. Pag-hindi kong kapit. Gusto kita. Abot lang. Sorry.
you could be anybody asking me because you want. That's why it's a process, my editing process.
Maganda pa siya.
That's why when you actually ask
From US event. From US sa Navy.
Since we're new, I'm also newbie, so I can't write bad reviews. So this is a restaurant, you know, like really,
Oh my God.
some top food critics, they really don't write about restaurants.
Ganun. I'm a fan of ABS-CBN.
I'm sorry if you let this show, but
Hindi kami kawan niya sa
pay attention to the camera shot.
Kuya Ayay.
So currently guys, we're here at the new office
series of
Nami activity which is the live video cam. So grabe siya katugma kay like cut, like super siya ka impromptu. So para ang mga kauban dahil mga ano nito mo? Ako parang itlog sa stroke lang. So nana mo kauban the best, the impromptu nga lalaki yun ever na interview na sa ABS-CBN. So maulaw na ko.
So, hi
oh my God,
guys,
kami na
I'm Steffi Salarda. You can find me on YouTube as Steffi Salarda.
Bongga si
And I'm trying to give
So, mo na jud ni bay wala nang hiya-hiya. So, my YouTube channel Gel Fakino. So, yes. Hi Kuya, what's your YouTube channel?
Hi guys, this is me Dudski of Katawa Studio and like my YouTube channel, Gel Fakino.
Subscribe to his channel, guys.
Yes.
So, mag-tour mata. Your YouTube
Hi,
channel.
it's Julian. Subscribe to my channel. It's Julian Day. Hi, it's Dora Victoria. Subscribe to my channel.
Hi, I'm Angel Show. Subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
Hi, Mom Keys.
Hello. Hi, Mom Casey.
Thank you, Mom, for everything. Thank you for your lessons.
Yeah.
Just like our Facebook page.
Meet Kuya Arjo.
Hi. Follow me on Instagram, arldrew.apin.
Follow him on Instagram, guys. Follow Nika. On Mellow Touch. Hey guys, we're very honored kay mapapin sa video ni Sir Jeff, which is Katawa CDO. Then we're gonna be doing the Asaka Challenge show. So, tanawa sa inyong yung page, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Uy! Taga-asa mo?
Never see the video!
click that big thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated whenever I post a new video. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace out. Goodbye.